The fast-paced and demanding nature of modern society can often make it difficult to maintain a balance between our personal and professional lives, leading to burnout and dissatisfaction. By learning how to set boundaries and prioritize time, we can take control of our lives and make sure that we are making time for the things that truly matter. One key aspect of setting boundaries is learning how to say no to things that do not align with our values or goals. This can be difficult, as we often feel pressure to please others or take on more responsibilities than we can handle. However, by setting clear boundaries and communicating them effectively, we can ensure that our time and energy is being directed towards the things that are truly important to us. Another important aspect of setting boundaries is learning how to prioritize our time. We often have a lot of competing demands on our time, and it can be difficult to know which tasks or activities are truly important and which can be put on the back burner. By learning how to prioritize our time, we can make sure that we are focusing on the things that truly matter and not wasting time on tasks that are not essential. Finally is putting what we have learned into action and continuing your personal development journey. This includes creating a plan to implement the strategies and techniques learned in this course, and setting up a system of accountability and support to help stay on track. Additionally is ongoing personal development and the various resources and tools available to continue learning and growing. Continuing your personal development journey is to seek out additional resources such as books, articles, podcasts, and workshops. Also, surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people who will encourage and motivate you on your journey. By taking these steps and continuing to develop yourself, you can create a happier, more fulfilling life and achieve your personal and professional goals. In addition, you will be able to apply this knowledge in real life, and measure the progress and adjust your plan as needed.